Hi, I'm Kay from KLostWeight.com. Welcome. And if you're here, that means you're ready to use the food diary in my weight loss guide, or maybe you're just here to learn more about the tools that I offer in that guide. So, food logging was a crucial part of my weight loss journey. And it's something actually that I still do because the reality of it is we're eating way more than we think we are. Even I still fall into that trap of, well, I'm not even eating that much. But sometimes at the end of the week, when I look at my food diary, I'm like, okay, actually, I am eating way more than I thought I was. So writing it down really makes you aware of what you're actually doing. And the other benefit is if you're not seeing those results weekly, you can look back over that week and it will definitely give you the indication of why. And it's effective for changing the behavior for the next week. So some of you may wonder why I'm having you write this down, because it's not 1995 and there are 50 million apps where you can log your food. Well, I get it. I used and maybe still use sometimes MyFitnessPal. I've used Noom. I completely get it because it's just easier to do it on your phone these days. But there's a reason. There's a method to my madness. There is something different about having to write down on a food diary that you ate 6 donuts. There's definitely a difference. But not only writing down the 6 donuts, that's not it. There's actually a brain-body connection for when you write it down. Cognitively, it's helping you ultimately change your behavior. So when you write something physically, you're more likely to remember it later and reflect on it. But you can still use your MyFitnessPal and Noom apps. But my recommendation is give this food diary a try and you might see some different results. So let's get started with the food diary. Filling out the food diary is beyond simple. Of course, you'll start with the date, and this particular diary begins on a Monday, but you could begin on a Sunday if you want. You'll fill in your breakfast. If you're doing intermittent fasting, most likely you're just having coffee, water, or tea, so you'll write that there. And then you'll go ahead and fill in your lunch and dinner. For snacks, that can also be your dessert. But if you have something like 6 donuts, make sure that you do not forget to include those here. And again, if you're fasting, you'll just write in none, meaning you ate no food. And don't forget to write the number of hours fasted on the right column. Remember, if you're sleeping, that counts as fasting. So don't feel any pressure to start off with a 16-hour fast. At the bottom, it's really important to write the notes, maybe how you were feeling that week, because what I found is when I go back to that, it's really helpful to reflect. So I really hope my food diary helps you on your weight loss journey. It's something that has definitely helped me. And if you're just stopping by and you haven't signed up for my mailing list and downloaded my freebies, go ahead and do that right now. I have a weight loss meditation tracker on there, a wellness and weight loss tracker, a 30-day deal there too, as well as 10 weekly toning exercises that really helped me get to the body of my dreams. Also, don't forget to check out my weight loss affirmations video. I talk about how that changed everything for me in my weight loss guide. If you haven't purchased that or downloaded it yet, go to KLostWeight.com. Do not forget to follow me on socials. I want to hear from you on TikTok, on Instagram. I would love to hear from you. Talk to you soon.